Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to check out a full room tour for Utopia the Seas Ocean View Balcony. So come along and join us and check it out. Alright, it's time for a room tour. Let's open it up. Whoa. Come on in, guys.
Whoa. I'm not happy.
Alright, let's take a look. We got you a king-size bed.
No, this is not.
Got you a couch. Looks like Charles already put her stuff down while we were doing other stuff, but yeah, pretty cool. Looks like they gave us a bottle of champagne to kick it off. That was pretty nice of Royal Caribbean. Got you our itinerary list here. Definitely got some USB ports. You know I gotta have those. Here's the balcony. It's not a big balcony, but it's pretty good size. Sit down here, have you a glass of wine or any kind of drink you want to have in the morning times. Check it out, Maddie.
Whoa.
What do you think?
I can see a shark moving.
See a shark moving? Okay. Come on, everybody. We got to show everybody more of the room. Come on.
Can you go see me?
We will.
I want to see me.
Okay. So this does turn into a bed right here as well.
I want to see what this is. It's a shower and a toilet.
You got your closet here. Got plenty of space. Got some stuff here. And we'll check out this bathroom.
I gotta check it out.
But until then,
this is the bathroom.
That's bathroom. Like I said, guys, your standard standard cruise ship shower. It's not the biggest thing in the world, but just enough to hop in, shower, and there you do. Yeah, so that's that. You got your temperature here, and of course you got back in here. You got safe you can store stuff in.
I'm gonna stay out.
Like I said, pretty delicate. Of course, it's a newer ship.
Daddy, it's okay.
What's okay? Yeah, but you gotta keep it open though. So, like I said, you got stuff. You got the bed here. I would say it's pretty.
There's a shark in the ocean.
That what I was saying. It's pretty good size space in here. It's not the largest, but I do like how you walk in. You got your bed here. You got your bathroom right in here. So it makes you feel you got more space. Just my opinion. Shower space. Let's come back in here and check it out. Like I said, I'm 6'2", and here I am down here. I got plenty of space. I'm 6'2". I'm 275, but I've got pretty big space in here. So back out into here. Got your sink. You got stuff, toilet right here. You know what? One last toilet flush for the trip. Give it a 3 out of 5 for that one.
Yeah, this back.
So yeah, guys.
So
this is going to be your room tour for Utopia the Seas. I'm pretty impressed with this room. They did a pretty good job. It smells really clean in here. It's nice and bright. I like it.